The new M Performance track kit takes the latest BMW M2 and pushes it closer to a race car without adding a single extra horsepower. That might sound surprising at first. In a world obsessed with bigger numbers and higher outputs, BMW chose a different path. Instead of chasing power, the engineers focused on grip, balance, and aerodynamics. The result is a sharper, more focused M2 that feels purpose-built for the circuit while remaining road legal in a specific configuration. At the heart of the car is still the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine. Nothing changes under the hood. What changes is how the car interacts with the air and the asphalt. Up front, a manually adjustable splitter extends on track to work together with the rear diffuser, increasing downforce and front-end stability at higher speeds. Around back, a swan neck rear wing adds serious aerodynamic intent. In street mode, it stays neatly integrated with the body. Switch to race mode and it slides nearly 2 inches, or 50 millimeters, rearward for greater aerodynamic efficiency. Interestingly, the rear wing is not a brand new design. It is derived directly from the race-proven hardware used on the BMW M4 GT4 and BMW M3 GT3. This time, it also features an integrated third brake light. Since European regulations have required high-mounted brake lights since 1998, it is likely that the original unit on the rear glass was partially obstructed once the larger wing was installed. Beyond aerodynamics, BMW also upgraded the suspension. For the first time, the company fitted a Motorsport specification damper setup to a road-legal vehicle. Owners get 4-way adjustable rebound and compression damping along with adjustable support bearings. Ride height can be lowered by up to 0.8 inches or 20 millimeters, giving drivers more control over cornering attitude and weight transfer. In Germany, the track kit costs €23,500 before taxes plus installation. It also includes fixed wheel arch diffusers and an additional scoop beneath the engine oil cooler. BMW plans to release the package in July. At the same time, an optional M Performance exhaust becomes available for the M2 CS. It reduces weight by about 17.6 pounds, or 8 kilograms, and adds a more aggressive soundtrack with carbon and titanium tailpipe trims. That system costs €8,343 before installation. For those who want a full race machine, BMW offers the M2 Racing, starting at €98,000. Unlike the street version, it is not road legal and uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine chosen for class regulations and lower running costs.